In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to convert Google Play balance into Google Pay and whether or not it is possible to do this. You might be wondering if there is any way to convert balance that you have left on your Google Play Store account to Google Play directly, seeing as both services are operated by Google. The answer to this question can be found inside of the Play Store Help and Feedback section. So if you open up the Play Store, tap on your icon. First, if you go into the settings and you browse through all of these, even though you will be able to manage a lot of stuff related to your account, your contact information, and even the payment methods, you will find no option to transfer your balance. So, what we can do to find the answer, like I mentioned, is to go into Help and Feedback instead. Inside of this page, you have plenty of articles dedicated to helping you understand and use the Google Play Store. So first, what you can do in here to get the answer to whether or not it is possible to convert your Google Play balance into Google Pay is to look for Google Pay. Now, this is going to depend entirely on your region, but for me, as you can see, there are no articles related to Google Pay. Even if you find help articles related to Google Pay on your region, you will notice that none of them will teach you how to convert balance inside of Google Pay. So what you might look for instead is maybe transfer balance. And as you can see, the only options that we have when it comes to transferring Play balance are to transfer Play balance from a child account. Of course, this doesn't help us. Even if you browse for the articles, there is no mention of Google Pay. And if we look for balance, we can find this general article teaching us how to add and check balance. What they have to say is that your Google Play balance is credit that you can use to buy apps, games, and digital content on Google Play. Like I said before, even if you browse through all of the articles available here, unfortunately, you will find no way to do this. As of today, it is impossible to convert Google Play balance into Google Pay or any service outside of it. You have to spend any balance that you have inside of the Play Store, and there is no option to transfer the money out. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about this limitation and how you can use your Google Play balance instead.